Life will throw chaos at you, people, problems, pain. But here's the Stoic truth. You don't control the storm, you control your response. Epictetus once said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." That's not just philosophy, that's survival. You lose power every time you react emotionally to what's outside your control. You chew bautiv every time you react to pot, to dickim a powers, helping to gavik it to kendit mean trinim a powers. The pake tatus of follows. You lose clarity when you fight battles that were never yours. So when life tests you, stop asking why me and start asking what can I control right now? You can control your focus. You can control your actions. You can control your mindset. That's how you rise, not by fighting the world, but by mastering yourself. Control your mind, and you'll control your life. Your emotions will whisper excuses. Your discipline will demand results. Marcus Aurelius woke up each morning reminding himself, you were not made to sleep. You were made to act. That's the Stoic mentality, to do what must be done, even when you don't feel like it. When you choose discipline over emotion, you rise above the average. Because everyone wants success, but few are willing to endure the discomfort that creates it. Wake up early, train your body, train your mind. Do the hard things not because they're easy, but because they shape you. Remember, discipline is not punishment, it's liberation. It frees you from regret, from laziness, from mediocrity. If you want to level up, build habits that outlast motivation. The Stoics didn't run from pain, they walked through it with purpose. Seneca said, "Difficulties strengthen the mind as labor does the body. Every challenge, every failure, every heartbreak is training." Life isn't punishing you, it's preparing you. When you stop fearing discomfort, you stop being fragile. Take the cold shower, face the rejection, do the work when it hurts. Because real growth doesn't come from comfort, it comes from chaos. When you learn to find calm inside discomfort, you become unbreakable because you no longer depend on things going your way. The world wants you to chase likes, followers, approval, but Stoicism teaches, seek virtue, not validation. Virtue means doing what's right, even when no one's watching. It's the power to walk alone when your values are tested. Marcus Aurelius ruled the most powerful empire in history, yet he reminded himself daily, waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one. You level up when you stop living for opinions and start living by principles. Courage, wisdom, justice, temperance. These are not just words, they're armor for the soul. Live by them, and the world can't shake you. The Stoics meditated on death not to be dark, but to be alive. Because when you accept death, you stop wasting life. You stop delaying your dreams. You stop waiting for someday. You start living with urgency and purpose. Seneca said, "It is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste much of it. Every second you're given is a gift. Don't waste it scrolling, gossiping, or overthinking." Remember, you could leave this world today. Let that thought drive you to live fully. Speak your truth. Take the risk. Build the life you'll be proud of when your time comes. Stoicism is not about staying still. It's about motion with meaning. The Stoic warrior falls, learns, and rises again. Always. You will fail. You will lose. You will be misunderstood. But you must never stop moving. Because momentum is not about speed, it's about direction. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "What stands in the way becomes the way." That's your code. The obstacle isn't your enemy, it's your path. Keep walking through the fire until it becomes light. Level up. Think with reason, act with courage, live with momentum.